Have you ever thought about creating your own vertical herb garden? Imagine having a lush wall of greenery, offering fresh aromatic herbs at arm's reach. This isn't just a delightful sight but also a space saver. Creating a vertical herb garden is easier than you think. To begin with, gather all the necessary materials. You'll need a sturdy wooden pallet, the backbone of your vertical herb garden. Don't forget the potting soil, the life-giving medium for your herbs. Speaking of herbs, select a variety you love. They're the stars of the show. A staple gun will secure the landscaping fabric to your pallet, creating a snug home for your herbs. This fabric, by the way, is key to holding everything together. Once you have all your materials ready, you're set to go. Now, it's time to construct your vertical garden. Begin by laying the landscaping fabric onto the back of the pallet, securing it firmly with a staple gun. This will prevent soil from falling out and ensure your plants stay put. Next, fill your pallet with potting soil. Make sure it's packed in there nice and snug. Now comes the fun part, planting your herbs in the slats. Choose your favorites or try something new. And there you have it, your own vertical herb garden. A vertical herb garden requires minimal maintenance, but remember, regular watering is key. Ensure your herbs don't dry out by giving them a good drink, but don't overdo it. Sunlight is another crucial element. Most herbs love the sun, so find a spot where they can soak up those rays. Lastly, don't forget to prune. Trimming back your herbs encourages fuller growth. With proper care, your vertical herb garden will flourish. Creating a vertical herb garden is not only easy, but also a great way to have fresh herbs at your fingertips. It's a simple, sustainable solution to maximize space and flavor in your cooking. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.